Oh, T minus 48 hours, guys. This time in 2 days, we'll be in the thick of the actual workshop, and I'm super excited. I'm just sitting here putting the finishing touches to the music that we'll be playing. And yeah, the content is really good and I'm very happy with it. So, I think 28,000 people watched that video, which is off the charts, unbelievable. Hey Nikki. I don't have the children here to help me pick the winner. I went into the shared file and I just went through everybody who shared it and was organically drawn to this one girl. And her name is Amanda McElroy. And I want to say congratulations. I'm delighted for you. Thank you ever so much for the support on the page. Your support is phenomenal. You've shared it lots and lots and lots of times. And I look forward to you coming to the Clayton on Friday night, yourself and a pal, as a VIP, as my guest. There'll be a seat reserved for you. So guys, the last time I checked earlier on in Eventbrite, there was, as far as I know, 14 tickets left. And after the 14 are gone, they're gone. And there shall be no more room. So we are this much away from selling out the event. And I'm looking forward to be able to tell you when it's a sellout. So if you've been waiting for the competition to be over, and if you're watching this now, and you really are interested in coming, get yourself onto Eventbrite, because I don't want you to be disappointed. And I look forward, whoever's in the room is supposed to be in the room anyway on Friday, no matter what. And I look forward to seeing you all then, and I can't wait to deliver what it is that I want to say from my heart to yours, okay? Take it easy. Slán. Congratulations, Amanda.